Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have a Beyerdynamic TG1000 and dual receiver and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons you might want to do this. If this receiver is not working or not connecting, or if you're having just kind of any troubleshooting issues that you need to fix, we can very often fix them with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you'll need to set everything up again because it will be wiped to its out-of-the-box configuration. But if that's another reason you might want to do this, if you're trying to get this and just set this receiver up as a brand new device, we can go ahead and do that really quite simply on here. All we need to do is come in here. We have this dial where we can select things, but we can also press it. So if you just press the dial, it will open up a sub menu. And then from the sub menu, you're just going to turn the dial until it's right below the display brightness option. There's a factory reset option. So you'll turn it until it's highlighted on the screen. You'll press the dial, and then it'll just open up a little confirmation page where you're going to turn the dial to either highlight yes or no, whether you want to yes, confirm the reset, or no, cancel it. So highlight the yes, hit the dial again, and the receiver will fully reset to its factory default settings.